Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make AI generated profile pictures for LinkedIn or Tinder. If you want to make your AI generated profile pictures, you just have to install an application on your phone. Just open your Play Store app, go to search bar, and here you have to search for an application named Face Swap Magic. Just search for it and just install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. So just open the application and here you will be able to make AI generated profile picture. So just tap on let's start and then skip the ad. Now scroll down and choose the category you want. I am going to choose this one. So just tap on it and here just choose the style. Just choose it. And here you just have to upload the photo you want to edit. I'm choosing this one, so just tap on it and then tap on generate your avatar. Tap here and now after some moments your AI generated profile picture will be ready. You just have to skip the ad and now you can see I have successfully generated a profile picture from AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.